guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys the Boosting Kit by The Main Choice, which is now available in selected Walgreens. The reason why I like this kit so much is because it's practically a kit of treatments for your hair, and in order to have hydrating, bouncy, voluminous curls, you need to treat your hair and give them a boost, and that's what this kit is, a boost for your curls. And I'm going to show you how I incorporate the kit with my normal hair routine to give my hair that extra boost it needs sometimes, especially now that it's cold outside. So if you want to see how I use the boosting kit, please keep on watching. So the first treatment I use is the Mocha Molasses Anti-Shedding Remedy. And I apply this on my dry hair before I get into the shower. And this treatment helps with strengthening and reducing shedding, which I need a lot right now. It gives shine and luster to the hair, and it also has coffee, which helps stimulate and rejuvenate the hair follicle. And this treatment also has vitamins and minerals like amino acid, copper, manganese, and B6 that enriches the hair and gives it that like shine and luster to the hair. So I rake in the product through my dry hair and I leave it for like 30 minutes to an hour before I go into the shower and wash it off with my favorite shampoo from The Main Choice, the pink lemonade shampoo. It smells so good. And then I wash off the product and dry my hair. Once I get out of the shower, I towel dry my hair, and then I apply the Silk Amino Acid and Keratin Reconstructor treatment. And I picked the treatment because I colored my hair not too long ago, and the Silk Amino Acid suits the needs of my hair right now. Like, it rebuilds the hair strand, it minimizes moisture loss, and it fortifies the hair that has been damaged, obviously from like hair color, chemical service, and heat damage. And the keratin strengthens and reduces breakage, so I really need that right now. So I apply this product all over my hair, and then I comb my hair just to make sure the product is evenly distributed through all my hairs and every hair strand is covered with the treatment. And I leave this on for like 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I wash the treatment off with conditioner, and I'm using the pink lemonade conditioner, and I wash the product and the conditioner off. And after my hair is clean and conditioned, I start to section my hair, and I start applying the Triglyceride Mint Scalp Renewal treatment. I hope I said that right. And this helps to balance the pH of the scalp, and the mint actually helps purify and reduce itchiness and flakiness, while the triglyceride helps nourish, hydrates, and renews the scalp. And this treatment also has fatty acids that penetrate to condition the scalp. And I make sure I massage this treatment well into my scalp, so like it can get all the nutrients and really benefit from the treatment. And I leave the treatment on. I don't wash it off. I just leave it on, and I go straight to styling my hair as usual. Then I style my hair as usual. Today I'm using the pink lemonade sherbet, and I rake the product in evenly throughout my hair like so. And today I decided to part my hair to the side like that. And then I start grabbing random strands of hair and finger coiling it just to give my curls a little extra shape, you know. And then that's all. I'm air drying my hair today since I did all these treatments. I don't want no heat on my hair. I want to let my hair like really absorb the treatments and let it like rest from the heat, and that's it. I hope you guys like this video. My hair feels so good after using the boosting kit. My hair feels soft, my scalp feels clean and hydrated. And I will use this boosting kit maybe twice a month or once a week, or whenever my curls need that extra boost, I would definitely use the boosting kit. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, bye.